Today's video is all about installing some Anderson plugs on the Crosstrack because they don't come out of the factory with any Anderson plugs. Some people are asking, why are you going to put any Anderson plugs on there? One, because they don't come with them. Two is we use a companion hot water shower when we go away for more than a week. And the solar that we got on the ground, so they just drill through the floor, cables runs all through here, all there, underneath the tyre, and then it comes out there. There's two on each corner. You can see the heat shrinks there. It was done by a qualified auto electrician. The Anderson plugs are from Rotec Marine, and on the battery there are fuses on each of the cables, and there is silicone where they pierced, or when they go to drill a hole inside the Crosstrack floor, and then it goes into the batteries. For more of these videos, please look us up on Facebook under Motivation, on YouTube motivation.vision, and on the web motivation.vision. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.